Alright, we're going to do a beautiful formal family portrait setting. Compositionally, I'm going to have a really strong line leading me out of the frame. Because what I want to do is direct the light in across the front of them and not light the background. He's in the center of the frame, but they're all in a very similar focal plane. Focus on Mum because she is in the middle of this image. Alright, now we're going to photograph a family of 9. So we've got our children, there's 7 of them, again they're ages 12, 10, 7, 5, 19 months, and we've got 2-week-old twins.